Listen. It's been rumbling for about 2 minutes now.
What?
Don't hang on that. Don't.
Please.
No.
Come back inside.
Okay, wait a minute. Hold on.
Oh my God, did you see that, Dad?
That was totally awesome. We got lightning clouds right over us right now. I don't know if you're catching this. This video is catching this, but it's light. The sky is just lighting it up.
Dad.
What? You hear that one?
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
What'd you say?
Please don't kill me.
Trying to catch the lightning, buddy. I don't know if it's coming out on this because this is, I think it just flashes real bad. You can't even see it on this. Rory, we got the lightning cloud right near us now, pal. Pretty cool, huh?
No.
You're scared? Get back inside.
Get back inside!
All right. Oh, here's another one. I don't know if you caught it. I'm going to go put this on YouTube and find out. Check out the YouTube tonight. Check out the YouTube tonight. Check out the YouTube tonight. Goodbye. All right, turn off already. It's not turning off.